We have a light fixture. It's a nice half dome light fixture. We need to do some assembly and hang it up. Very easy to do, very light. It's well constructed metal. Inside's all LEDs and they got different Kelvin switches, and I'll show you a nice and close up look where I'm pointing at so you can see there are different switches here. You have a plastic cover, nice and large, so if you ever need to clean the insides, you can do so. And you have the wire nuts and the instructions on how to install. You have a very simple bracket, 2 screws, gold on the side with a, I like to say, a bronze color, gold color. And inside's the same color. We're going to show you what it looks like. Find a place to install yours. Make sure your electric is off and you want to match up all your holes. And once you do this, it's very simple to do the rest. Sometimes you like to work hands-free. You got your ground. What you're going to do is use your ground, wrap it up, lock it down. So this way you can be hands-free like so. You're then going to match up your leads and you're going to put white for white, black for black. Before we put the cover on, we want to show you inside the different colors. Turn your AC back on. Your light's up in a Kelvin. We find the switch, and as we adjust it, you can see it brightening cooler and cooler. You decide which you like. Place your cover on by simply twisting. Voila, we got light. This is not the powerful light, but it's strong enough to give you enough light for your area. It is a comfortable light, a nice throw of light, a nice color. We're going to show you what it looks up close up to the floor so you can see what it's all about. Looking down from above, looking in just from below, taking off the cover, changing the kelvins, 4 or 5 different colors. Very simple to get in there to change. If you're looking for a light fixture to decorate your kitchen, bathroom, hallway, office, small room, bedroom, living room, wherever you need, the place that you hang out at the studio, this product may be something you're looking for your household, anywhere need. I hope this is something that you are looking for to light up your area. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.